Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Rahel and I'm from Mr. Goon's class, to be precise, English class A. And today I'm gonna tell you a story about my unforgettable moments that I really cherish until now. So it started back when I was still in 7th grade. I was still I'm still a naive teenager, wanna try things and stuff. And as a teenagers, we don't know like which one is right, which one is wrong. Like, we want to be cool, we want to be seen by others. And I was at the edge of giving up because there are a lot of stuff, a lot of problems, a lot of new things that I understand and knew. So I tried many things. I tried something that you shouldn't even try as a kid, like smoking and stuff with your friends to make yourself look cool. That's just not it. And at the moment, I realized that I think I've done something wrong. I think I'm doing something wrong. So I went to church. I went to church to seek the truth, like which is the right path, which is the right thing. And turns out I was in a wrong path. I was doing the wrong thing after all this time. But that time I don't really have the courage to tell myself that I'm wrong, or tell my God that I was in the wrong path. And yeah, so after a few weeks, few months, I finally went to church with my family. And the miracle part is, it was an event in the church. And in that event, the priest told us to close our eyes and speak to God, like tell him your sins, tell him something that you don't want other human being to know about you, your doctor's secret and all. So yeah, I decided to take a leap and try to close my eyes and pray to God and be honest to him. And I'm being honest to him. Jesus, I've done this and that and lots of things. I realize I've done something wrong. I realize I do something wrong. I realize I have upset you. At that time, I was just crying and sobbing because I was just a teenager. I was a teenager, don't know which right, which wrong, because yeah, at that time I want validation from everyone around me. And suddenly, when I'm sobbing, when I'm crying, I saw this glimpse of light. And there was a really, really soothing voice. It is Jesus. He told me that he will always be by my side. He will lead me to the right path. That he still loves me for whatever I have done, or for whatever sin that I have do. And then at that time, I was not sobbing anymore. It's a flood. Literally a flood. It keeps running out from my eyes, keep running. Like the tears keep on running. It's basically a flood. And finally, I come to a peace that I accept who I am, even though I have done something really terrible. I have committed a sin and have upset Jesus. But at that time, Jesus told me that he still loved me and he still considered me as his child, his beloved daughter. So at that time, I choose to choose to be more detailed, choose to be more wise on choosing a decision or taking an action. And yeah, that was my unforgettable moment that I really, really cherish until now, because it's the first time I met Jesus too. And his voice is really wow, it's very soothing. It's nothing like you've ever heard of. So yeah, that's my story. Thank you for listening.